If you want to enable or disable a keyboard sound on POCO C85, we need to go to Settings, scroll down over here in order to find additional settings. Next, open Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and then Gboard because this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Once we are here, open Preferences, scroll down until you find the sound option. And of course, we can tap on the switcher to turn it on or off. You can also adjust the volume. You can set up the custom volume, or you can tap default in order to synchronize it with system volume. Subscribe to my channel.